Right, welcome back to my channel. I have so many projects to do, and this is just a few of them. I have 10 here, and I am going to put this on video to force myself to do them and stop putting them off. So I am going to, God, I look such a mess. Go round. I've got some post-it notes, and here we go. I'm going to just go round. And God, I hope you can't see my face. Just wash my hair. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch an artist by its toe. When it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Number 1. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch an artist by its toe. When it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm going to speed the rest up. That's it. And for what you can't see, these would, oh, it doesn't have a sticky one. Oh, there it is. These are hearts. I'm going to do some beaches on those. These are gorgeous wavy coasters, which my daughter's done these, but I haven't used them yet. And they're gorgeous. What else? This is going to be a tray. These are personal charcuterie boards. You put your wine glass in here. I'm going to do little beachy scenes in there with some 3D waves. You can fold those up. This is a tray I picked up somewhere. I'm going to take the legs off, and I'm going to, decorate that, and then I'll put the legs back on. Domino set, that'll be a really quick video. So will the clock. And then I cut out geodes with my jigsaw. This is actually the smallest. I've got some really big ones I might make smaller. But anyway, what else? Oh, my turtle. Lovely little turtle. And yeah, so that's it. We will look forward to 10. There we go. There's Penny and Lucy. 10 videos plus I have tons more. So there you go.